Hi guys, I'm Haven and I'm here with Brittany. We're gonna talk about some spooky Halloween things today. This is exciting too because Brittany, you are from Argentina, right?
Yeah.
And you don't really celebrate Halloween there.
No, we celebrate Halloween, but not like here in America. Like in America, they're very huge fans of the scary parts and all the celebration and
tons of decorations.
Yeah, the decoration, it's like crazy.
It's crazy. So
it's crazy.
We decorate a lot here. Do you decorate at all in Argentina for Halloween?
No,
Not
I would
at
say
all.
probably no. Like most of the houses, they don't have a decoration.
Really?
Yeah, you can see maybe in some local stores.
Yeah.
Maybe in a party, but that's it.
Really? So you celebrate it a little bit then, or?
I really like it, but I don't do the celebration because it's not in our culture, I think. So I really like, so I wanted to come in here to celebrate Halloween.
Have you been here to celebrate a Halloween yet? Are you going to dress up slutty for Halloween?
I don't think so.
No?
I haven't thought about it.
I want to be a toilet. That's my #1 costume idea. I've always wanted to.
Okay.
Just like the toilet right here, and then I put my candy in it, you know. What would your ideal costume be?
I think it would be Lara Croft from Tomb Raider. I really like
Oh,
that. Yeah.
okay.
Something, yeah, I really like
love
that.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's really cool.
Yeah.
Would you go out and look for a costume, or would you just like make up your own?
No, I think I will go and look after the costume.
Have you been to one of our like Halloween stores with all the costumes in it?
No.
You have to go.
Yeah, I want.
They never have a toilet.
No, so you have to do it yourself. Like you have to. Oh my God! You have to create.
Yeah, I
the
literally have to
costume.
make it.
Yeah.
And then, are you staying here in LA for Halloween?
No.
Where will you be?
I have the idea to go to the Universal Park.
Oh my God, that's gonna be so cool.
Because they are decorating all for Halloween.
I haven't been to Universal, but I've been to one of those like amusement parks before, and they have like 4 different like Halloween haunted houses, and then they have like fireworks at the end of the night. Do you get scared easy?
No.
No?
No, I don't have a
Okay,
problem.
so you'll be fine at Halloween.
Yeah, I think I'm going to. I'm really, really scared about snakes.
Me too.
Like I have a phobic. Like I can faint.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Would you like, if there was a snake in this house right now, would you like not come over?
Yeah.
What if it was like in a cage?
I don't know.
You're
I
like, I
can't
can't do
even
it.
look at picture.
Yeah, you're like getting nervous even talking about the snake.
Yeah. I get a little bit hard. Yeah. Oh my God.
My stepdad had a snake.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Isn't that scary?
Yeah.
Yeah. I did not like it. Well, I guess snakes do like bite you and then they're venomous. I'm like, were they eating people at one point? And that's why we have this like innate fear to be scared of snakes.
Yeah.
Do like spiders creep you out or not as much?
No, I don't really like, but I don't think I have like a phobic like it happens with the snakes.
I think my worst fear on Halloween is like all the fake little spiders everywhere, and then I'm like getting like, is that a real one? Like, yeah, I don't like the spiders.
Yeah.
You gonna decorate for Halloween?
I don't think so.
No.
I don't know how to do the decoration. Like it's a lot of things.
You just go to the Dollar Tree and then buy a whole bunch of things, spend like $20, and you can just like decorate your whole house.
Okay.
One time I bought like Halloween lights to put around my house, and then we just kept them up all year. They're just like colorful string lights.
Okay.
You should do it. Decorate your house.
I'm gonna ask you for help because I don't know how to decorate like anything. Like I'm so bad at decoration.
So you've never been like trick-or-treating or anything?
No.
Okay.
I have to do that, okay?
We'll do that here.
Yeah.
I'll bring some candy and pass it out to everyone tomorrow.
I like that. I like the idea. We can do it.
Yeah, trick-or-treat here.
Yeah.
I'll show up in a toilet costume.
Okay. You're going to rock that costume, you know?
Thank you, yeah. I really
because I
think
never
so.
saw that, so I think it's going to be like...
I've always wanted to be one. I don't know why.
I don't know. You like toilets? Maybe that's...
Maybe.
I
Do I need like someone to a therapist?
Because
to
I
be
like toilets, but I don't think I have that kind of...
Do you use a bidet ever? The one that like shoots
Yeah, we
everything?
have the bidet, yeah.
Do you like it?
I don't use it that much.
You don't like
really.
it?
Yeah.
I love it.
You love
I think
it?
it's so cool.
Yeah, people must love the bidet.
They're like scared of it at first, but
Yeah.
I want that to clean me
Yeah.
good, you know?
I want to be very clean.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm Haven. You can find me on OnlyFans at haven.tunein.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience. I wish I can have more with you so I can experience all the festivity of Halloween. You can follow me on Brittany Baby 11 and I will see you next time.
Thanks, guys.